So what I'm doing now, I'm replacing my wood railing system, which it used to be here. I took it off, and I'm gonna replace it with the concrete baluster railing system that's gonna go here from one side to the other. First, I'm gonna attach these to the wall, to the existing wall, and I'm gonna put some glue on the back of it. So we'll put it down. I already pre-drilled it in a couple of places. This way it will hold it down in place. So I'm gonna use some liquid nail. A little bit in the center. Pretty much this with a little bit of glue, it's gonna be plenty to hold it in place. And tilt it up in place. Center it. And ready to attach it. As you see, I'm attaching this part of, actually it's a null post face. I'm attaching it with screws. And what I have done, I countersunk for the screws. 2 on top, 2 on bottom. These screws, they're gonna be covered with the railing system, so you won't see them. And I have nice stainless steel screws, so they will never rust. Okay, nice and strong. We'll do the same on the other side now. Attach it. So I'm pretty much mixing the grout here, and what I have, it's 1 part Portland cement and 1 part sand, and I'm mixing it before I add water. And I'd like to use concrete glue. You could buy it in a gallon or in a liter, and add some of it. It will fortify it, make it nice and strong out to attach the railing system. So before we start on the bottom, this concrete here, it's been for a while. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a small cut into the concrete. This way the mortar joint will be nice and strong, and it will bite into the concrete. So I'm using here an old, what do you call it? It's a universal blade, so it will cut through concrete. And I have it like a 1/4 inch sticking out. That's all what I need to create some of the groove. So I'll go ahead and make my cuts, and we'll start putting it together after. So out. Go ahead, put it here. Sure, nice and in place. Okay, you could. Okay, and set it in place. Okay, as you see, it's all squeezed out. That's nice. Nice grout line. So here I need less than a full segment. As you see, I have 27 3/4 of inch. I'll cut 27 and a half. So we'll go ahead 27 and a half. 27 and so I'm ready to cut it. I have marked it already. So cutting it on the other side. I rather it will not break on me. I'd like to have a nice clean cut. So again, line it up. So we'll go ahead, keep adding our mortar. Add a little bit of mortar on the end. So we'll go ahead, lift up this one, set it in place. Okay, nice good squeeze all the way around. Now we'll go ahead for the next one, and we'll be sure nice and level. Okay, now we'll go ahead, bring it down to a level. Nice. Perfect. Okay.